how to set up free VPN on Windows 10 or 11. So what you're going to do is you're going to visit vpngate.net over here, which will provide us with many public VPN relay service over here that we could utilize. After this, simply open your settings page over here, and you're going to navigate to our network options over here. Network and internet, like this. And you have VPN available over here. So simply click on VPN, click on add VPN, and we're going to create a name, VPN 1 over here. And going back to our VPN gate, simply scroll down over here a bit, as you can see. So this will be the different list of public VPN relays. Over here, look for SSTP over here. Simply copy this name over here, host name. Back here, paste it over here. For the VPN type, we're going to select STP over here. Give it a name, or give it a username for your login. Similarly here, VPN. Then click on save and just simply connect over here. And after that, you should then be able to have a free VPN, as you can see here, set up on your device. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.